This episode is titled Choni calls 12 people to tell number block snore fact jokes. This video is a request by Choni Wangmo. Enjoy the video. Alright, the auditorium is now in session. We have 12 people here, and I'll be calling out Blue Fox 23, Songai, Sonam, Mika, Saif, Fevin, Elise Fakun, 150, Chariel McKechnie, Yusuke, Megumi, Joe, Colin, and Charles. You guys will be telling number block snore fact jokes, and these topics will be shown in the description. So, time starts now.
What do you call a deep sighing snorer? Number block 75's snoring effect.
Hey 66! What action do you like doing in your sleep? Snoring whistles frequently in hell.
85. Why do you always snore whistles softly? Because I have a cute low tone.
'Why did 93 make fast snores? Because she wants to fall asleep fast.
'How the heck did 46 snore while drunk in his sleep? Because he drank a lot of alcohol.
34. How in the world did you snore whistles like that? I'd used it with my nasal passages.
63. Where do you like to relax at? Spa.
Where do you like to have your job in the hospital? Curing the patients.
Who do you call a freaking anonymous snorer? Number block 53, S snoring effect.
Who do you call a weird-ass breathing snorer? Number block 42's snoring effect.
Knock knock. Who's there? Number block 58. Number block 58 who? Show me my laptop.
Knock knock, who's there? Number block 79. Number block 79 who? I'm floating on my hovercraft.
ザ・ポップスタートリオ Air Playing Video Games in the Arcade. But suddenly, they heard nasal pig smells from it and that came from number block 68. They freaked out and ran away.
The intelligence team were trying to search for memes they found, but they heard number block 43 snoring me in one of the videos, and realized that it's because of him.
Alright, auditorium is now dismissed. Stay tuned for episode 819.